Wow, Michael Davis, $9,000 hit on Panda Magic on a 1250 spin on a bonus. I'm guessing it was a bonus. 25-17 on
mystery.
We have not played.
Josie, party for 3, your table's ready at the restaurant. Josie, party for 3, your table's ready.
What makes D Lucky amazing? I want to know. I'm on a need-to-know basis. Come on, we need 3 briefcases or 6 coins. Come on. Oh, thank you for tuning in, Jenny Jones.
Come on, baby.
Appreciate it. We got 1,374 people. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button. There we go, a little something.
There you go.
$60. Stellar slots, never had luck on Dragon Links. I've had good luck on Dragon Links.
Yeah!
See? Good luck. Good luck.
That's very good luck. The minis are abound.
Come on, let's get it. Come on, stick something, yeah. Nice. All right. Stick it. Save it. Ah. That happy and prosperous Dragon Link. I've hit two balls for 62.50 each. Barefoot blue jean night. Back to back, back to back. Let's get it.
Where are those cases? Oh, wow. Did you see that?
No, I didn't.
There was a screen of like a lot of chips.
Oh, I missed it. Do I like country? I mean, I don't know. I don't hate it. I don't seek it out.
No. Getting bougie like Applebee's. That's my jam.
Oh! Nice. Carrie, your comment came up too late. Right as I hit the bonus, your $25 spins came up. Let's go! Coin! Oh, chip. Oh, there we go. Jack's connected. Nice. Oh, retrigger. Come on, chip. $12.50 chip. $1,250 chip. Let's do it. Oh, it just missed it by one. Dirty, dirty dog. Come on, finish strong. Oh, nice. Take that.
Yeah.
$280. Let's get it. Back to back, back to back. I'll do it. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3.
Oh.
Double dirty. You're a son of a mama.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a son of a mama. Oh, max spin. 3. Oh, that would have been nice. Come on. Oh, double dirty. That was mean. Back up. Oh, 3, 3. Yeah, I did it. I switched it.
Awesome.
Nice. What a switch.
That's a great switch.
It's a son of a mamas. Let's go. Come on, full screen. Minor chip. Oh, major was right there. Mini, $100. Come on, stick it. Stick it. Save it. Yeah, saved it. Save it. Yeah. It's getting spicy. Come on, stick it. Save it. Ah, nice. Awesome. What a hit. All right, back to back, back to back. Oh, we should have kept the $25 spins going. Darn it.
That's all right. You can get a hand pay on that.
Let's go. Oh, chip. Nice. Come on. Oh, minor. Let's get it. Stick it. Save it. Ah. Let's do it. Another chip. Oh, we got the 10s connected. Nice. $50. Let's get another chip. Stick it. Oh, I tried to stick it. All right, $150, not bad. Back to back, back to back. 3. Wow, that would have been epic.
Joe, your two orders ready at the restaurant, Joe.
Oh, there we go. A little something, a little something. All right, let's crank it back up. Oh, got me excited. It got me excited.
Ooh. I was hoping it would get it.
Come on. Oh. Wow, that was close.
Tasha, your to-go order is ready for Tasha.
Tasha! Tasha! We're cashing out. Panda Magic. I don't like it. Doesn't like me. Uh-oh, first spin grand. First spin grand. Come on, first spin grand. Ooh, minor. We'll take that. All right, let's get it. No, it's not a new hat. I got this one before. I've had this for... Oh, Walter Marr, what up? Ah, I thought we had a bonus. What's up, Charisma Win? Happy Saturday to you as well. Pot? No pot. How's Xander doing?
Oh.
Are you?
You want me to sit down?
Yeah, I mean, if you want to play. I almost had a bonus.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I got a refill on the alert.
Nice. Edith says, "Roll Tide, roll." Speaker lady is at the other casino. She will not be attending this session.
No.
If we would have stayed at the Bighorn, Speaker lady would have made
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
a debut. Oh no, she wasn't there. She was there on Wednesday. Yeah, no Speaker lady today, no matter what. Missed it by one. Missed it by one. Oh, what's up, Tracy in Arizona? Wow, Michael Davis, $9,000 hit on Panda Magic on a 1250 spin on a bonus. I'm guessing it was a bonus. 25 cent Tina.
Mystery.
We have not played at Resorts World.
What do you think?
What do you guys want to do?
It was the first thing that popped in my head.
Our neighbor got a bonus too. He wants to do mystery. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Anything but
15.
5 and 3. All right, we're all right. We're all right. Pot.
Oh, come on.
That's sad. Come on now.
Retrigger. Drummies.
Do something.
Yeah. Drummies. Oh. All right. Well, that's fine. Back to back.
Oh, he hit the major on a 1250 spin. Nice on 25 cent denom. Congrats on that win. That is awesome. Let's get it. Back to back, back to back. That's some heavy perfume.
It is what it is, man. Oh. All right.
Pot. Mini. Charisma says hi, D.
Who does?
Charisma.
Oh, who's Charisma?
She's a subscriber.
Oh.
Trigger City over there. It's crazy.
Gotta get it again.
What's up, Kimmy K? Walter Meyer, your table's ready. Oh, Kimmy K. I met Kimmy last night. She was here at the Longhorn. She's a viewer of the channel. It was nice meeting you, Kimmy. Yeah, we are back again tonight.
Come on. Oh, the setup is so good. It's dashing my hopes, my dreams.
I'm holding it for you, Walter. I won't let him give it away.
What's that?
His table. Oh, nice. 90 bucks. 5K, you got to teach your porn bots to learn how to subscribe. Thank you so much for the good luck wishes, Satoshi from Chicago. Appreciate that. Come on!
Get lucky. Dang, come on now.
One big bonus.
Yep.
Oh, somebody just hit the fast cash
Oh, did they?
in between when we moved.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it was at 28,000 when we left the Bighorn.
Make it happen.
Oh, Kim with 5 memberships gifted. Thank you so much, Kim.
Oh.
What happened? Oh, we're out of money.
Should we go on this one?
Sure.
This thing didn't really play.
That gave us a bonus. It just didn't do much.
Yeah, I have a feeling we're gonna move well.
Valerie got a membership. Nice.
Yeah, the sticker, I think it left it over there. Okay, everybody. Oh, come on.
That would have been nice.
It's coming.
Come on, bonus. We just need some bonuses to get the energy up.
Yeah, no doubt.
No bonuses is sucking the energy out of us. We're on the struggle bus.
All right.
We got to get off. Pot? Oh, I thought the pot was closing.
Come on, baby. All right.
There's a pot.
Pot
Come on, Grand. Mini. Mini. Oh, Karen L with the 10 membership gift. Thank you so much, Karen L. I just saw
Karen.
it. Appreciate it. Oh, we're positive. We're just
we
a
have a
little tired.
Very giving audience.
Yeah, you guys are so awesome.
Yeah. For sure. Come on now. Big one.
Welcome to all the new members out there. Make sure you take full advantage of accessing those emojis. Have some fun with them. Tennessee Trucker with the $1 super chat. Thank you so much, Tennessee Trucker.
Where is that bonus? Come on, bonus.
Barbara Castillo's watching boxing and slot lizards at the same time. There you go. We're getting knocked out a little bit.
Yeah, we're having a tough time.
Yeah, we're like Canelo's opponent. We're getting beat up by the Canelo slots.
I'm going to try 528. We can get a hand pay on that. Come on now.
Go! Yeah!
288. Yeah, good switch.
Nice! Valerie said this is the greatest slot channel and people here in the world are wonderful. Yeah, everybody's really cool and awesome. We got the best chat. By far, we got the best chat.
Yeah.
Self-proclaimed best chat. Bojangles. You're funny, Bojangles. It's good to see you still here. And you got a membership too, Bojangles. 5K was wondering where you were.
Back to 880. We're going to hit something big. I have a feeling. Big drums. Come on now. Applebee's on a date night. This is my jam. Come on. Bougie like Applebee's.
Holy cow, Scott. Scott's been gambling since 5 a.m.
Oh my. Fancy like.
Relax.
Ooh,
Relax,
fancy
Scott.
Like, ooh.
Take a break. Put some eye drops in.
Come on. All right, Pop.
Married with Slots says they ate dinner at Applebee's.
Getting bougie at it.
Yeah. Whoa, Scott's up just under $7,000. Nice.
Good.
Yeah. It went by. Scott's getting bougie at Applebee's.
Yeah, no doubt.
Congrats on that win, Scott.
Ooh, that could have been massive. She's the Dixieland Delight.
Are we taking bids?
Yeah, we're live right now on YouTube. We got like 1,200 people watching almost.
Oh!
Go!
Oh! Just one.
Just one would have been a hand pay, possibly. Two would have been a hand pay. One wouldn't have been a hand pay.
Oh, look at that. Man. It's good screen, man. Good screen.
Good screen.
It's showing good screen. Man, that mini keeps popping up.
Yeah. Barbara playing slots. Yeah, that was still a great line hit.
Yeah, it was a good one.
It was a good hit.
Let's
It was
get
a good
those
hit.
drums now.
Teeth are preferred.
Angel party for
Never heard that
400
name.
triple
It's an interesting name.
Teeth are preferred.
Yeah.
You mean summer teeth?
I don't know. I don't think they. No, I think they want all the teeth, not just summer teeth. Teeth are preferred said, let's string some together. Yeah, let's do it.
Let's see what we can do. Come on! It's drumming time.
Slot Squatch, we are all family here.
Oh,
That's why we're singing about Applebee's. The major is at 844. The grand is at 10,687. It just flipped. Oh, thank you, Andy Hall. Appreciate that. Come on, bonus.
Maybe you gotta push because, like, man, it ain't working for me.
Bubbles activated. Come on. Oh, dirty. Got it.
Nope. Dang.
Dang is right. Yeah, we need a bonus that pays really well. I held it in there, was hoping that worked. Didn't work.
No.
Didn't work. Come on! Hot!
Jay's gonna get the grand.
Yeah. I got the major on Wednesday.
Come on! Pink!
Ah! 1444. Yeah, I agree. Quit being mean to us. Just give us some money. Tamara's right.
No, I gotta go.
Okay. Come on. Oh, where was the last row? Why? That would have been epic. Get a 3 stacky there. Mini again. I don't know. It's bonus or bust. All right, I'll do the corners for you, K6. Which one now? We got 2 of everything. Which one? Oh, Karen L's first one, right? Mini! Uh-oh, April Fullerton, you better watch out. You're going to get banned. Can't say those words. It's naughty words on YouTube. Come on! Let's go! Fast tapping it out. Don't get on Karen. It's all predetermined. Oh, it didn't connect. It didn't connect. Oh, no. Come on. Oh, go, 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 go. Yes! Bam! Yeah! 1900. Nice! Yeah! Foo doggies! Let's go! Foo doggies! Whoa! Yeah. Nice. Who needs a bonus? Who needs a bonus? Boom, 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 boom. We're back. We're back. Holy cow. She knows it. Are we back? Yeah. We're back. Boom, boom.
Okay, thank you, John.
Call me when you want me. Call me when you need me. Let's go. This is like a self-checkout at the grocery store. And yes, you are 100% correct. That was weird. Things got weird. I've never had to fill out my own W-9 or whatever it is. Come on, let's get it. Let's get a bonus. Back to back, back to back. Let's get it. I don't know, they made me fill out like a W-9 or something. I've had to fill them out before, or not fill them out, I've had to sign them before. All right. We are done. We're gonna leave that penny. We're gonna leave that penny.